Plumbing and HVAC company AJ Perri is installing indoor air purifiers that are proven to kill coronavirus in the home. TAPintoTV caught up with AJ Perri's Kevin Watson to tell us more about this new technology.
So what an air scrubber is an indoor air purifier that attaches to your existing ductwork. It uses a technology called Active Pure technology. What the Active Pure technology does is it takes the oxygen and the water molecules, creates oxidizers, and releases back into the room and kills contaminants like allergens, viruses, mold, bacteria. It's killing contaminants in the air and on surfaces.
The air scrubber manufacturer conducted an FDA-compliant study showing that the Active Pure technology had an over 99% success rate in killing the COVID-19 virus both on surfaces and in the air.
Here at AJ Perri, we're installing the air scrubber for customers that are concerned with their indoor air quality. We're continuing to safely provide our community with service and support. You know, a lot of customers like it. We're getting a lot of great reviews on it. It's a big deal.